When you think about American performance, the Chevrolet Corvette is right at the heart of it. What many people do not realize is that the heart of this sports car, the powerful V8 engine, is born in Tonawanda, New York. The General Motors Tonawanda Propulsion Systems plant is responsible for assembling the 6.2-liter LT2 engine that powers both the Corvette Stingray and the Corvette E-Ray. This engine is not just about horsepower. It represents decades of engineering, precision machining, and dedication from a workforce that has been doing this since 1938. Every LT2V8 built at Tonawanda is a testament to American craftsmanship. These engines are carefully assembled by over 1,500 hourly employees and more than 200 salaried staff who know that what they are building is not just a power unit, it is the soul of one of America's most iconic cars. The LT2 engine is a naturally aspirated V8 mounted in a mid-engine configuration for the 8th generation Corvette. It delivers up to 495 horsepower in the Stingray with the performance exhaust, and when paired with the hybrid system in the E-Ray, it pushes performance to the next level. What is remarkable is how the same facility builds for both traditional power and the new wave of electrified performance. Tonawanda's role in Corvette history is significant. From the early small block engines to today's advanced Gen V units, this plant has been an integral part of the Corvette legacy. General Motors' recent $888 million investment into the facility will support future engine programs, ensuring that Tonawanda remains at the forefront of performance innovation. So next time you hear the growl of a Corvette as it launches down the highway, remember, its heartbeat was built by the hands of dedicated workers in Western New York. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more behind-the-scenes stories from the automotive world.